everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a brand new video. So as you have read in the title below, today I am going to be doing my Nykaa haul, everything that I got in this Pink Friday sale which very recently happened. I think it just ended 2 days back if I'm not wrong. And but before I start that, I know today is a Thursday and today I had to upload my the new series which I had started, a video that goes in every Thursday. But मुझे ये haul करना ही था because अगर मैं संडे तक वेट करती वुड हैव बीन टू डिले. आई नो ऑलरेडी बहुत लेट हो चुका है, आपको आपके प्रोडक्ट्स मिल भी चुके होंगे. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई गॉट वेरी लेट डिलीवरी, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग इट टुडे. अभी भी एक प्रोडक्ट है जो मुझे रिसीव नहीं हुआ है, बट इट्स ओके. सेल्स का टाइम है, उनको बहुत ऑर्डर्स आए होंगे तो डिले इज लाइक ओके. सो आई वाज काइंड ऑफ वेटिंग कि सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आ जाए, उसके बाद आई एम गोना बी फिल्मिंग दिस हॉल. सो आई थिंक आई गॉट वेरी मच, एक ही बचा है तो लेट्स फिल्म इट टुडे. Also, during this haul, I haven't like gone all crazy and got everything just because वो discount में थे. I've just got things which I genuinely need, and so that's why products are going to be very limited. I think I'm in a stage in my life where I do not shop unnecessarily. At least I try not to. Of course, दिल तो करता है, but I've just got things which I genuinely need. So it's going to be a small haul क्योंकि जो products मैंने लिए हैं वो सब कुछ यहाँ पे है. And now we're gonna begin with the haul. But before that, if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Nidhi. I create videos on beauty, lifestyle, skincare, hair care, hairstyles, and a lot more. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it here. So please make sure that you subscribe. And now, without wasting any further time, let's quickly jump into today's video. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम ये छोटे वाले डिब्बे से शुरू करते हैं. I have like opened, मैंने खोल दिया है, but I haven't seen everything अच्छे से. So let's start. Okay, so the first thing that comes out is okay. तो जैसे मैंने बोला कि बहुत टाइम हो गया I've ordered, तो I've also kind of forgotten कि क्या क्या exactly था. तो सबसे पहले I've got this Lakme का compact powder, this one right here. Yes, look at the packaging, it's looking so good. Okay, so this is the ultimate glam compact powder. मुझे बहुत टाइम से compact powder चाहिए था because everyday use में वो बहुत handy हो जाता है. I do have a loose powder, but I think compact powder अगर आप रोज में लगाओ तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है, तो इसलिए I've got this. So we are going to be using it with time, and of course I'm going to review it. मेरे कोई भी shorts या reels में आपको दिख जाएंगे. The second thing that I have got here is this Stays का lipstick. आपने अगर आप मुझे कुछ टाइम से फॉलो करते हैं, आपको पता है कि I already got this थोड़े दिन पहले ही नायका में, and I love this shade and I've been using it almost every single day. तो because ये सेल में था, मुझे लगा कि I should get one more because वो खत्म हो जाएगा तो फिर I don't know कि तब सेल होगा या नहीं, and I genuinely need this lipstick. This is in the shade 05 Cocoa Crush and it's so pretty, like everyday use के लिए this is the only lipstick that I have been wearing and I swear by it. इसका फॉर्मूला इतना अच्छा है, बिल्कुल भी आपके लिप्स को ऐसे चैप या ड्राई नहीं करता है. It's really very good. I'm gonna open this and show you the applicator. This is what the applicator looks like. अगर आप मेरे कोई भी recent reel या shorts में जाकर देखें तो this is the only lipstick that I'm wearing. I'm obsessed. So I got one more of this. Okay, now I think इस छोटे वाले डिब्बे में इतना ही था. Now we are going to move to the big box and let's open it. The first thing that I got इसमें is this Nykaa Naturals का jojoba oil. This one I've heard really good things about jojoba oil for skin. This is 100% pure Nykaa का ही है, so I'm super excited to use this and include this in my skincare routine. Let's see और use करके देखते हैं कि how it works for me. Okay, so this is what it looks like and it comes with this pipette kind of applicator and I'm super excited to use this. रख देते हैं वापस हम इसको डिब्बे में. Okay, so the next thing that I can see here is this Plum का hair mask. ये भी let me open it just a second. I was looking for a good hair mask बहुत time से because I think it's the time that I have to include hair mask मेरे hair routine में because यहाँ का पानी is like spoiling my hair to the next level. So anyways, this is the plum hair mask which I got, this huge tub. I'm sure that it's gonna be good. It has ingredients like olive and macadamia. It is moisturizing and it is also good for chemically treated hair. So if that is your case, you can try it. It's a huge tub and I think it's gonna last me long time. So super excited to use this. इसको भी use करेंगे and आपके साथ of course हम review share करेंगे. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram because वहाँ पे I'll try to put reviews almost every day to let you guys know कि how are these products working for me or not. Okay, with that we come to the next product. Okay, so the next product is this Stays का ही mascara. Yes, this one. So I do have two mascaras, but I think mascaras बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाते हैं and expire कर जाते हैं. So I don't want to risk it. तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि चलो offer में है तो because I love Stays का lipstick इतना and that's the first product that I've been using from this particular brand. तो I thought why not try their mascara as well. Reviews भी काफ़ी अच्छे थे and ये volumizing plus it is also waterproof. So let's try it. Let's see how this mascara works. Then I have this Wild Organic ka Multani Mitti, this one right here. So I think Multani Mitti is something which everyone should have. You can like DIY anything and it's so good for making your face mask. Skin के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So that's why I thought कि Multani Mitti ले लेते हैं and because it's pure, I just got ahead and I got it. जो I said ना कि एक प्रोडक्ट है जो नहीं आया है, it is यही ब्रांड का Wild Organic का ही Hibiscus पाउडर, वो भी मैंने लिया है. I wanted to try it. वो आया नहीं है. I think कल परसों तक आ जाएगा. So that is also there. Then I got this makeup fixer Swiss Beauty का. I have tried it past में and I love it. So मैंने सोचा यहाँ पे मेरे पास मेकअप फिक्सर नहीं था तो that's why I got that. Now with that we I think come to the almost end. Yes, end पे आ चुके हैं हम. I said ना कि मैंने बहुत minimum चीज़ें मंगाई है, just the things that I genuinely need. Okay, so this is the Lotus का Express Glow 10-in-1 Daily Beauty Creams. This one. So I was looking for a beauty cream जो मैं everyday basis में use करूँ and I didn't want any BB or CC cream as of now. So that's why I saw this and it also has like SPF 25, so that's good. So I've got this. Let's see, हम check करेंगे इसको. अगर अच्छा है तो I'm definitely gonna recommend you guys. काफी affordable भी है ये, so देखते हैं. Last but not the least, we have got this Plum का the body bath and body kit. This one very cute packaging and I'm super excited to try it. बहुत मिनीज है इसके अंदर. अगर ये सूट किया तो वी कैन गो अहेड एंड बाई बड़े वाले. तो मैं बता देती हूँ फटाफट से इसमें क्या क्या मिला है मुझे. फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव हियर इज अ बॉडी मिस्ट विच इज वेनिला वाइप्स का. स्मेल्स टू गुड. ओके, सो ये है पहला चीज. देन वी हैव स्मॉल लिटिल वेनिला का ही बॉडी लोशन विच हैज कोकोआ बटर. दिस वन, excited to use it. And last we have shower gel, this one. So ये सब हम यूज करेंगे and उसके बाद if it suits me, if I like it, then I'm gonna purchase the big tubs of all. So yes, that's pretty much it. I have just got these many things that I genuinely need at the moment. That's it. कुछ और चाहिए होगा तो बहुत आगे sales of course आएंगे. Festival season जब start होगा then we are gonna get sales and a lot more. You just need to keep your eye and जब भी sale मिले you can get all of these products. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope कि आपको ये छोटा सा haul अच्छा लगा. And if you liked it then you know the drill. So please make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends, share it with your family. And if you're new here or if you haven't already, then please take a moment and make sure that you hit that red subscribe button. Follow me on my Instagram, link नीचे description box में होंगे because वहाँ पे आपको इन सारे reviews and सब कुछ in detail वहाँ पे पता चलेगा. So please follow me on my Instagram and that's pretty much it. I'll super soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.